You must be wondering what this bird. This is a bowerbird, any of approximately 20 bird species that constitute the family Tillenorhynchidae of the order Passeriformes. Bowerbird are birds of Australia, New Guinea, and nearby islands that build more or less elaborate structures on the ground. Some are called catbirds, gardeners, and stagemakers. Bowerbird are especially known for their unique courtships in which the male builds a bower and then displays and sings loudly in or above it. The bowerbird have an Austro-Papuan distribution, with 10 species endemic to New Guinea, 8 endemic to Australia, and 2 found in both.